Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Gabe Hogan, and today what I'm going to be talking about is how you guys can actually start saving money so that you can not only invest, but you can start whatever business that you want to. All right, guys. So, without further ado, let's get right into the video. All right, start saving money for investing and starting businesses. All right, guys. So this is going to be a simple three-step system, and I want you all to know that this will not take much of your time. Okay, this video is going to be very quick. It's going to be straight to the point, and I'm going to give you guys all the information that you need. So make sure you stay to the end. And guys, this may seem simple, but this has been the way that I've been able to virtually go from having like no money in my bank account to being able to save enough money for a down payment and save enough money to be able to get into real estate and buying my first investment property in Florida. All right, guys. So step one is going to be tracking your expenses. And I want you all to understand that you cannot like change your situation right now until you understand what your current situation actually is. Okay, so we need to understand where we're at right now, how much money we're saving right now, or if we're actually spending more than we're making right now. We need to understand that before we go forward. Okay, so we need to start tracking our expenses. Now, you're saying, Gabe, how can I start doing that? Where do I need to start at? It says you can print out bank statements and try and calculate it all on your own. Okay, you can try this, but there are definitely better ways. Okay, there are better ways. And in the next slide, I'm going to show you the way that I actually track my expenses and figure out what my net income is and all that in a very simple way. Okay, so what I use for financial tracking is mint.com, and I've used this app for years. No problems. If you're worried about security purposes, I've never had a problem with that. Not saying there could be a breach in the future, but nothing has happened up until this point. Okay, and basically what you do, I'll show you guys the website. You go here, mint.com, and you're going to create an account. You're going to sign up, and then what you will have to do is connect your bank accounts to this app, which you can download on your phone. I've got an iPhone, and I know the app is available on the App Store. As far as Android, I think they have an app, but you guys are going to have to check into that, okay? But go to mint.com, set you up an account, and then you'll be able to connect your bank accounts, and then it's going to track every single one of your expenses, okay? Every purchase you make, everything that goes through these bank accounts, it's going to track it. And one of my favorite features of this app is the fact that month by month it will track it, and it will say, okay, so this month we made $10,000, for instance, and we spent $4,000 on expenses. It's actually going to track your net income for the month so you can see, okay, am I actually making more money than I'm spending? Okay, and it's going to break that down for you in such a simple way that like a 5-year-old can understand what's going on. Okay, guys, so it's really cool. Just go to mint.com, set you up an account. I'm not an affiliate. I'm not getting any kind of kickback for sending you guys here. I just really like the app. Okay, I just really like the app. So go check that out. Now, back to what we were talking about. So we're gonna use Mint to track our income and expenses. All right, guys. So step 2 is gonna be saving 40% of your income. Okay, saving 40% of your income. Now, for some of you guys, this may be really far-fetched and way out there and does not seem obtainable at this point, but stay with me because I'm going to get to that. Now, so we want to start saving 40% of our income, and that's really going to start building that stack of cash in the bank so we can start investing and we can start building whatever business we want to build, whether it be an online business, whether it be a physical brick and mortar business, whatever you're trying to do. Saving 40% of your income is a really good start to being able to do that. So here's an example. If you make $10,000 per month gross income, then that means you're going to be bringing home around $7,000 after taxes. Now, the key to this is it's 40% of your gross income. Okay, so if you make 10 grand a month, we're trying to save $4,000 that month. So when you think about it, you're actually end up saving 57% of your take home pay. So if you're grossing 10K, we're taking home 7, we're still trying to save 4. So that leaves you $3,000 a month to do whatever you need to do. Okay? That's to pay your mortgage, to pay for groceries, gas, car payments, insurance, student loans, whatever you got going on. You've got $3,000 to deal with. Okay, guys? So some of you guys are going to be saying, hey, Gabe, what if I can't save 40%? Then what do I have to do? Well, you've got 2 options, okay? You can either increase your income, one, or you can decrease your expenses, okay? You've got 2 options. Now, what I want you guys to understand about the latter, decreasing your expenses, is the fact that you can only contract so much. You can only decrease your expenses so much until you get to a point where you're down to the bare necessities that you have to live, and you can't contract any farther. Okay? So what I suggest is finding a way to increase your income. Okay? That's what we talk about on the channel. So if you need to start a YouTube channel, if you need to start an affiliate marketing business, if you need to start just selling stuff on Amazon, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, whatever it may be, then that's what you need to do to get to the point where you can save that 40% of your gross income. All right, guys. And if you don't know how to do that, then keep watching this channel, because I'm going to be going through ways that you can actually start all these different types of businesses. And we're going to dive down deep into how you can actually make more money while you're working a job, while you've got all this other stuff going on, and how you can just begin to be able to save the right amount of money that you need so you can start all these businesses that you want to start, and also start investing so you can start building that passive income. Okay, guys. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure and click that subscribe button, and make sure you give this video a like. Okay, guys. I appreciate y'all, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Peace.